Hello everybody, hola. Este es Mr. Quinaz. Mr. Quinaz is here. Today we have nice weather. Outside it's warm. Can't see it, but if I move my computer, you can see the window and it's sunny. So today is 55, 50 grados. Today we really feel spring. It feels really nice out. So let's look at some vocabulary for spring. April, that's the month. Abril, baby animals. Bloom. Bloom is when a flower is, well, I don't know how to say bloom in Spanish. It appears. Aparecer un flor. Breeze. Breeze is the wind. We've had a lot of wind. Bunny. The bunny. Baseball. Usually we have baseball. Usually at this time of the year we start doing baseball. Blossom. Again, it's like a flower. Let me see if I can show you a picture of blossom. Blossom. Let's see. Here is a blossom. It's like a flower. Now I'll show you a picture of bloom. Bloom. Yes, it's when the flower opens up. Okay, bud. That's also a flower. That's before the flower opens up. Here's a bud. It's a nice bud. And then it blooms. Bloom and blossom and bud. Butterfly. We know butterfly, mariposo. Birth. Nació. Muchas cosas están naciendo ahora. Born. Nació. So birth is more like, let's see, birth in Spanish. Nacimiento. And born. Nacido. Nacida. Bulbs. That's where a flower comes from, a bulb. So it's a light bulb. So, let's see. Here's a light bulb, but let's look at a plant bulb. This is a bulb. You studied that in your science class. Okay, chick and crocus. Chick is the chick. Not sure how to say that. Spanish. Chick. Crocus. These are flowers. Crocus and daffodil. Crocus. This is a crocus. Not the girl. This is the crocus. Have you seen that type of flower? Usually purple. Remembrance is, se tiene que ver con recuerdo. Un recuerdo. Es un símbolo de recuerdo. What else? Daffodil. That one is usually yellow and white, I think. Or you just white, just yellow sometimes. Daffodil. I wonder what flowers exist in your countries. Easter. That's the Pascua, and eggs, huevos. Flowers, flores, foal. That's a baby deer, a foal. Or I'm sorry, it could be a baby horse too. So what is a baby deer? I think it's a baby deer too. No, that's a fawn, I'm sorry. So fawn, baby deer, and foal, baby horse. So fawn, deer, foal is horse. Okay. What else? Let's see. Flowers, foal, galoshes. That's a word from England. We say rain boots. Rain boots. Yeah, rain boots. Because it rains in the spring. Grow. This is grow. Look at my plant is growing. It started as a small little plant and now it's growing. grass. We talked about that in social studies. Oops, grass. This is grass. This is grass here. We still don't have grass growing, but it'll come. Green. Okay, let's see. Hatch. It's what a baby chick does. I don't have an example. Let's see an example. Hatch. Hatch. This is hatch. The chicken comes out of the egg. Hyacinth. I love hyacinths. Hyacinths are nice flowers. Let's see. Hyacinth. Oops. Messed it up. That's a parrot. Hyacinth. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. June. That's more like summer, really. Kid. A baby goat. A lamb is a baby sheep. Yep. March, May, these are months. Melt. Now the ice is melting. The ice melts. This is a sandwich melt, but melt. Anything that's melting. Deteriorizar, I think in Spanish. Melt. Spanish is what? Hundir, but also I think deteriorizar or something like that. Narcissus, another beautiful flower. Este flor tiene el nombre de un dios de los grecos. Y aquí es el flor y aquí es el dios. Y él está mirando su cara porque que pasó que él es muy bonito, muy guapo y él no puede dejar de ver su cara y que pasó es él está como dictado y por fin él murió, pero los dioses en Olympus, él pone su cuerpo en flores, o ellos, es mágico, ellos se convirtieron su cuerpo en un flor, que se llama Narcissus. Y una persona que es narcisista es una persona que tiene mucho egoísmo, mucho interés en sí mismo. Nest. Yep, nest. The huevos and nest. Nest. Okay. Pasque flowers? I don't know what that is. Polywog, I've never heard of that either. Puddles. We see a lot of puddles when it rains, or after it rains. The puddles. Okay. Rabbit. Conejo. Raincoat. Es como jaquete para lluvia. Rain, rebirth. Cristo en la iglesia. Los cristianos creen que Cristo está rebirth. Nació otra vez. Rainbow. Nació del tumba. This is a rainbow. I think it's Archaeolis. Archaeorius. Archoreus. I can't say that. Okay. Robin. You're going to see a lot of robins this time of year. I've seen some just this weekend. I saw some robins. Beautiful bird who likes to eat worms. Let's see, is there a picture of a worm? Yep, here it's eating a worm. Digs it out of the ground, the worm. Okay. Still got a lot of words here. Let's see, season, temporal, snowdrop, spring cleaning, showers. Showers como you say showers. Duchas. Pero es un ducha de lluvia. Sprout. Este es como sprout. Otra vez. Está. Es un poco. When a plant is very small. Very small plant. Spring. Sprout. Slicker. Spring break. Descanso de primavera. Sunshine. Here's sunshine. Sunshine. Hello, sunshine. It's the rays from the sun. Feels really good. It makes the plants grow. Tadpole. So maybe you'll study this with Miss Gomes. Tadpole. You might see these if you take a walk. If you go to a pond. You might see a tadpole. And a tadpole is going to turn into a frog. That's what a frog is when it's little. Thaw. It's like melting the snow. Melting the snow. Tulip. Very, very common flower. I'll show you a picture of that. Tulip. You can see these. Normally you'd see these in the stores, but right now it's a little different, so you might not see these, but you might start to see these for sale in the supermarket. Tulips. We like to make a bouquet of tulips. Umbrella. Of course, you're going to need your umbrella. The umbrella, it's almost the same word in Spanish. Umbrella, rain umbrella, sun umbrella. Vernal equinox. That's when the sun is the closest to the earth, I believe. I could be wrong. I might have to ask Miss Gomes about that. Warming. Calentando. Warm. Warm. So we have warming and worm. Worm is how I usually say it. Warm and worm. Worm. This is a worm. Worm. Earthworm, actually. It's an earthworm. But the other is warm. Viento. Weather. The clima. Windy. Vientoso. Alright, so as you'll see in Teams, we have this assignment, which I have two things here. One is called Spring Reading. So I'd like you to open it in Word, if you can, and then I want you to answer these questions in Word. So not in Teams, open it in Word. So you can read 2 or 3 stories here and answer the questions. So for example, you could read this one, Spring Walk, Camino de Primavera, and then it asks you a question. Why was Patricia glad that she was wearing her jacket? So tiene que buscar aquí la respuesta. Okay? And I will take pictures of this for the students who don't have computers. Alright, this video is kind of long. Es un poco largo este video, pero espero que ustedes pueden ver. Y pueden saber un poco de qué está pasando afuera. Yo sé que ahora tenemos este virus y tenemos que estar en casa, no podemos ir a Kohl's ni Marshalls, pero podemos caminar afuera, podemos sentarnos afuera. Este no está prohibido. So, disfrútalo. So sit outside, enjoy some sunshine. Our bodies need it. It's healthy. Sit outside, enjoy the sunshine. As I said, I had a little problem with the video. Tenía problema con el video, pero ustedes saben que no podemos ir a Marshalls. We can't go to Marshalls. No podemos ir a la película, pero we can sit outside. Podemos sentar afuera. Podemos disfrutar un poco la clima. It's warm outside, es más calor. Vivimos cerca de un bay también, que es muy bonito. Un bay de agua. Tenemos un bay aquí en New Bedford. Tal vez podemos caminar un poco allá. Todavía no es prohibido. So, hasta la próxima. Have a good week. And I hope you watch this video.